corestrategy.com.
Hi guys, it's Chris again, looking at the upcoming October 22nd trading session. I have the economic calendar in front of you, as you would expect, and right away, early in the day, we have the MPC meeting minutes out of the UK, and that is just simply basically the thoughts of the Monetary Policy Committee deciding interest rate decision at the last meeting. So while this isn't something that's easily quantified, what you can do is kind of glean the attitude of the market participants as to where interest rate expectations may be. Don't expect too much out of this. However, there is the possibility we get some volatility in both the FTSE and the pound later in the day if there are implied or inferred differences as to what the market had anticipated as far as what they were thinking. Core CPI month over month coming out for September in the United States at 0.2% will move the stock markets. Particular interest will be S&P 500 and the Dow, although the NASDAQ will be influenced as well. Pay attention to that. If it's a better than anticipated number, it's just another reason for the U.S. stock markets to continue going higher. The Canadians have core retail sales, although a big deal in Canada, not a big deal for the rest of the world, especially considering we have an interest rate decision. No change expected out of Canada. Could influence the U.S. CAD Forex pair there, though. That being said, at the end of the day, we have the Chinese releasing the HSBC manufacturing numbers. Again, this is another one of those things that you can't draw a direct correlation per se, but if it's better than the anticipated 50.2%, that's a good sign for stock markets in general for the next day, so do pay attention to it. Okay, I have the euro dollar, as you can see in front of you. It continues to sell off. We continue to have problems above 128. Put buying opportunities abound on short-term rallies. We could even be talking about a potential bearish flag at this point. So really, too many technical reasons to think about buying calls, selling rallies, buying puts, that is the way to go going forward as far as we can see. The DAX is starting to break out above 8,900. I would consider it a buying opportunity, especially above 9,000 as we re-enter this previous consolidation. Looks like we are forming a nice little V bottom here, so the DAX should continue to go higher. Buying calls on a breakout above 8,900 is the way we anticipate playing this market. Silver markets rose a little bit during the session, but let's be honest here. This is a market that has a lot of bearish pressure in it, so we'll have to wait and see. If we get the right resistive candle, we would be looking to buy puts as we would stay in this area. Above 18, though, things change, and then all of a sudden you have to buy calls, because at that point in time it would certainly look like a market that's ready to go much higher. The S&P 500 is in fact having a good day on Tuesday. Looks like it's ready to continue going higher. Short-term pullbacks continue to offer call buying opportunities as far as we can see. Might need a little bit of a rest though, so be patient. Looks like we're going to go back to 2000 anyways. Give it enough time, but we have had a significant bounce at this point in time. And with that, I've taken a look at the upcoming Wednesday, October 22nd trading session.